Hello. Let's start by pitting the cherries. Set them aside. Butter and sugar combine until pale and fluffy. Now add the eggs one at a time. Scrape the sides with a spatula if needed. The last one. Add the orange zest and vanilla. Add the ricotta cheese. Drain it if there is water on it. Sometimes there is, sometimes there is not. So if there is some water on the ricotta cheese, just drain it. There is some on mine. That looks about right. I basically add 2 of these packages one at a time. Add the remaining ricotta. Okay, we're done with the mixer. Scrape the sides again. Now all we gotta do is incorporate the dry ingredients. Flour, add the salt, baking powder, give it a whisk, fold it into the wet ingredients. Don't overwork it, just until you don't see the flour anymore. Okay, this looks perfect. Get your springform pan, grease it just a little. Line with parchment, just the bottom. Transfer the batter. Smooth with a spatula. And the final step, we get our cherries. The batter is nice and thick, so you're sure the cherries won't sink to the bottom. And there it is. Off into the oven it goes. So this took, I would say, around 50 to 55 minutes, so slightly longer than usual, mostly because I placed plenty of cherries in the middle. They released some juices, so it really had to bake through. Check with a skewer every time. Let it cool completely in the pan, and then we come back to it.